at NJMEP here in Somerset, New Jersey on Manufacturing Day. We have William Miller, who prefers to be called Willie. So, Willie, take it away. Tell us what you do.
Okay, so my name's William Miller, first American hired by an 84-year-old privately owned Japanese company that came to North America for the first time in 2015. So it's been an amazing ride the last 6 years. My role is we're a global manufacturer of pneumatic, electric, and robotic components sold globally only through distribution. My role is to work with our 40 distributors that we have coast to coast, from California to here to New Jersey. The purpose of why I'm here with New Jersey is I'm here supporting the Knott's Company, who is our authorized distributor here in New Jersey for the 512,000 RoHS compliant products that we make, and learning more about the manufacturing that's happening here in New Jersey.
So Koganei, when you talk about pneumatics,
yes, sir,
which are always fascinating to me, what are those pneumatics going into? Smaller machines, great big machines? Where are they used?
So that's a really good question, and I'm going to tell you that at 2 o'clock today, I'm going to be on a live webinar with IEEE Global Spec. So one of the things that's really unique about Koganei, and this kind of differentiates us from other pneumatic suppliers, we are really embracing this idea of miniaturization. So we're both from the manufacturing facility standpoint, trying to reduce the footprint of how things are automated, but then also from the OEM side, where you have pneumatic, you can think of small valves used for oxygen concentrators, for example, carrier gases for patient and palliative care. Okay, we're trying to make those more portable for patients, lighter in weight, be physically smaller, so it's the world doesn't need to know maybe what your ailments are, because now you can hide them and have a little bit more respect about the devices that you rely on to live.
So I don't have to drag the tank.
We hope you don't. That's our goal, is that you won't have to if the OEM that we work with is using our components.
Okay, and robotic components.
Robotic components.
What are those?
So we know collaborative robots in manufacturing are growing at a very, very fast rate, just for many reasons. One, your cost to get a robot has reduced probably from what you look at the last 10 years.
Right.
And the efficiency. Robots don't take breaks. They don't require insurance. And even though it is a very difficult challenge or consideration to make about replacing an employee with a robot, but again, everything that I've seen globally, people are so in fear about losing their job. And all I can say is, when my grandfather was 58, he worked for a tool company, and he came home, he threw his lunch pail on the table and said, "I quit." "Well, Grandpa, why'd you quit?" "Well, they're making me learn on a computer, and those are just a fad." So the reality is, robots are here, they're going to continue to advance, and we all need to embrace them and look at how we can work with them to improve our efficiency, create new job opportunities, working with them side by side.
We're familiar with employee pushback with new technology and new methodology.
Yeah. Sure.
So that's always a problem.
Yeah. So you mentioned 3 product lines: pneumatics, robotics, and
electric. So we don't use any direct drive motors. We're all stepping motor based, but it would be electric actuators. And then we also have, medical grade products. So we have fluoro resin products that would entail valves, the fittings, the tubing. So, again, 512,000 products we make. What's most fun is every time I meet a new business, a new manufacturer, the first question I get is, "Who's Koganei?" We've never been here. 84 years in business. We have 8 subsidiary branches from the Netherlands to here. And everybody's getting a first-hand look to experience Koganei. I love to say talk is cheap. We never have to sell anything. We put the product in the customer's hand and let their engineering team do their own testing and let the best product win. So it's been just a wild ride these last 6 years being here in North America, and I think we're just getting started.
So have you learned to speak Japanese
No.
yet?
So I'm a former college football player, which I'm quick to tell everyone, my brain maybe is a little bit smaller than everyone else's, but I give really, really good hugs, and I'm always really honest. So no, I haven't embraced, I still struggle with English a little bit. I tell everybody I might talk with marbles in my mouth, but I do have a lot of passion. So
how does somebody get in touch with Koganei?
So if you learn how to spell it, it's Koganei. The website is koganeiusa.com. And again, we don't sell through catalog houses, so no disrespect, but companies like Motion, Automation Direct, we do not sell through the online catalogs. You have to be a local authorized distributor, and we have 40 coast to coast here in North America.
So just for the slow thinking audience,
Yes, sir.
how do you spell it again?
Koganei.
That's great.
Koganei, and congratulations on being the first American hire.
Yeah, right. They haven't fired me yet, so we're having fun so far.
Terrific.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. Willie, we appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Will.
Hey, thank you. Thank
Good
you
luck
guys so
to you.
much. Thank you.
Learn some Japanese.
We'll work on it.
Work on the domo arigato.